Instant camping tents are a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts, offering convenience and speed without compromising on durability or comfort. Whether you're heading out for a family camping trip or a solo backpacking adventure, these tents save time and effort, allowing you to focus on enjoying the outdoors. Listen up, Coleman Camping Tent. The Coleman Instant Cabin Tent is a standout option for those seeking a reliable, spacious tent with premium features. Constructed from 100% polyester, it boasts WeatherTech technology with patented welded floors and inverted seams to keep users dry during rainstorms. Its rugged Polyguard 2X fabric ensures durability, while the vented rainfly enhances airflow without requiring extra assembly. With dimensions of 8 by 7 feet and a center height of 4'11", it comfortably fits a queen-size airbed and provides ample space for small families or couples. Performance-wise, the Coleman tent excels in weather resistance and ease of use. The 60-second setup is ideal for quick trips, and its integrated storage pockets help keep gear organized. List number: Core 9-Person Instant Cabin Tent. The Core 9-Person Instant Cabin Tent is built for larger groups or families, offering an impressive interior space of 14 by 9 feet with a center height of 78 inches. It fits 2 queen-size airbeds and can accommodate up to 9 people without gear. The tent features H2O block technology with 1,200mm fabric, sealed seams, and a fully taped rainfly for excellent weather resistance. Adjustable ground vents and a mesh ceiling ensure optimal ventilation, while the pre-attached poles enable a swift setup in just 2 minutes. This tent shines in its ability to comfortably house larger groups, making it perfect for family trips or group camping. Its durable construction and weatherproof features provide peace of mind during inclement weather. List number: Nightcat Pop-Up Camping Tent, 2-Person Tent, waterproof. The Nightcat Pop-Up Camping Tent offers a convenient 3-second setup, making it one of the quickest options available. With dimensions of 9.5 by 6.6 by 4 feet, it comfortably fits 2 adults and 1 or 2 children, making it ideal for small families or couples. Its upgraded folding mechanism reduces the package size by 40%, enhancing portability. The tent features 190T polyester taffeta with PU 2000mm waterproofing and taped seams, ensuring reliable rain and wind resistance. The dual doors and mesh windows provide excellent ventilation and natural light. This tent is perfect for users seeking a lightweight, compact option for short trips or festivals. Its easy folding mechanism and small package size make it highly portable. List number: Instant Pop-Up Tents for camping. The My Major Instant Pop-Up Tent is a budget-friendly option designed for quick and easy setup using its automatic hydraulic system. Measuring 78.7 by 78 by 43.3 inches externally, it accommodates 2 to 3 people. Constructed with 210T flame-retardant polyester and double-layer waterproofing, it offers solid protection against rain and wind. The tent's double-door design and mesh windows provide ventilation while keeping bugs out, creating a comfortable interior environment. This tent is ideal for users seeking affordability and simplicity. Its lightweight design and compact pack-up size make it easy to transport. List number: Amazon Basics Instant Camping Tent with Rainfly. The Amazon Basics Instant Camping Tent offers a practical and spacious design for small families or groups. With dimensions of 96 by 84 by 59.06 inches, it comfortably accommodates 4 people. Its pre-attached telescoping frame enables a quick 60-second setup, while the removable rainfly and sealed seams provide weather resistance. Mesh windows and a vented ceiling ensure ventilation, and the included gear loft and storage pocket add convenience. This tent strikes a balance between affordability and functionality, making it a solid choice for recreational campers. While its weather resistance and ventilation are adequate, it lacks the advanced waterproofing found in higher-end models.